Yo, what's going on, everybody? Speedy King G live in the cut. So today we got a Pro Charge SS we're about to race. He's right around 600 to the wheel. I'm right around 600 as well. He's a 6-speed manual. I'm a 10-speed automatic. So I am a convertible, a little bit heavier. But I mean, for the most part, I have a 10-speed. He has a 6-speed and it's manual. Shifting should be a lot smoother for me. And hopefully we take the dub since we raced that Corvette last video. And you know, if you guys see on that outcome, it didn't go too well for me, but hey, you win some, you lose some, can't win or lose all of them. Let me show you guys the cars.
It's gonna be a good race.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to leave the parking structure right now and get this race going. On the way to Mexico is where we're headed, and then we're gonna get this race going. But look at that. That is a wrap. We all wrapped up. But alright, y'all, we out. Peace. Yo, what's good, guys? So we just parked up right now and finished our races. We did about 4 to 5 races in Mexico, anywhere from 30 to 50 rolls, and I think they did really good. So we're both pushing. He's pushing 600. I'm pushing about 590 to be exact, and that was actually really close. He's a 6-speed. I'm a 10-speed, which I said previously, and I think that was really fun because I mean, he's Pro Charge. He has meth, all that good stuff.
Man, they were good ass races. We had a good time doing it. Both cars were just like right there. He's got car advantage. I'm a car and a half, I'd say. That 10-speed, you'll see in the video as he's going, and right as soon as I shift, you'll see me, my front end just drop and get going while he just keeps pulling. Nice thing about the 10-speed, but it was good races and it was a lot of fun.
And it is always about the fun. Whether you win or you lose, can't lose all of them, you can't win all of them. It's just all the fun and love. I appreciate you guys and thank you for the constant support. Hopefully, see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and share down below with your peoples. I'm out. Peace.